I'm so excited. This is like a fat girl's dream. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Alajah, and if you don't already, make sure you subscribe and like and comment on this video. Today we are going to be doing a vloggy vlog. Today I'm going to Brownstone Pancake Factory. I don't know about Brownstone Pancake Factory on Instagram, and they're a verified girl, so you know they are legit. So breakfast, dessert, lunch, dinner, brunch, all that. And they also are known for their pancakes. Their pancakes are bomb. They have all kind of different pancakes, red velvet, Captain Crunch, pink birthday cake, all you can think of, y'all. And I'm so excited to go. Today I'm gonna be going with my man, and you guys are gonna be coming with us, boo. I'm actually gonna do my hair, and then we're gonna get started with this vlog. So I'll see you guys when I'm done. Me to be ready at 2:30. The time now is 2:10. Your girl 20 minutes early, and he ain't even dressed. Okay. Boy 0, girl 1. Copywritten in this shit. Oh yeah, so this is the end of the vlog. I show y'all my food. I don't want to get copywritten for this. The waitress was so nice to bring me this shit. It looks so good. I don't want to get copywritten though, so I'm not gonna keep it up there for long.